Hello everyone, I am Batu, a pre-sales software specialist from American Workflows. Today, we are diving deep into the marvelous APS software, a pivotal tool revolutionizing the fashion industry by enhancing the manufacturing process with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Let's get started. Beginning the heart of our system, the APS session overview, integral to the scheduling mechanism, each session recognizable by unique session numbers such as sample 16, orchestrates our planning scenario with unmatched clarity. Moving on, let's navigate through the interface. Managing multiple manufacturing sites efficiently is paramount. The plan section, showcasing locations like A Plan 01, is where this critical coordination begins. The explanation column reveals the intricacies behind each planning scenario, a feature that the professionals will find invaluable for handling specific production runs or adjustments. The defined starting date and end date of each session underscores the importance of tight scheduling, ensuring production aligns with demand forecasts and delivery schedules. With the plan status, start shift, and end shift columns, the dynamic production node comes into view, providing insights into operational status and active shifts. We can notice the sections like the capacity calculation and non-working time empower users with ability to fine-tune resource planning, a critical aspect for maintaining efficiency. The Gantt chart lays out scheduling with colors, indicating various state of operations, a testament to our software's capability in managing the complex production schedules. In the assigned work section, each job is meticulously cataloged. From sales order node to job status, the level of detail ensures smooth tracking and execution. Resource allocation is optimized here, ensuring that every aspect of the production aligns with the highest standards. Next is the productively produced, semi-produced section. It showcases a detailed list of items in the production pipeline, emphasizing our commitment to timely delivery and precise manufacturing. With every detail from good ID to delivery date, this module exemplifies the sophisticated and integrated approach needed for success. The material usage detail section highlights our strategic planning in material allocation, an essential factor in minimizing waste and optimizing production. Each entry here is a step towards sustainable manufacturing. Lastly, the capacity table section. It's here that the software's efficiency shines, allowing for detailed resource allocation and planning. The efficiency coefficient and capacity utilization feature underscores our commitment to optimizing every facet of production. With the marvelous APS software, navigating through the complexities of modern manufacturing becomes a streamlined, efficient, and fully optimized journey. From planning to execution, this tool is a beacon of efficiency and optimization, ready to elevate your production process to new heights. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you're interested in further discussions or would like to explore some customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.